everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Pineapple jerk sticky wings. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients. A Scotch bonnet pepper, brown sugar, paprika, low sodium soy sauce. I have in this cup pineapple juice. I have here onion garlic powder. I'm using the wet jerk seasoning. I also have the dry one also. You can use either one. Honey, crushed pineapples, and of course, the chicken wings that I have in the refrigerator. Now, this is the first step we're going to do. We're going to season the wings. We're going to add paprika, garlic, onion powder, and the jerk seasoning. I'm using Grace. Then I'm going to mix it up. Oh yes, and the brown sugar. That evens out the heat a bit, sugar, a sweetening. That even out the hot flavor. I'm going to use my hand and mix everything up. Oh, you can smell the hot pepper from the jerk. Then we're going to set this to the side.
I see you making my favorite today, wings.
Yes, I am. I brought out my stovetop cast iron grill and I put a little oil in it and I got it on medium high.
I like spicy food, so these jerk wings should be pretty good.
Yes, they will be spicy. So now I'm going to put them on the grill.
This is so much handier when it's hot weather because right now we're experiencing a heat wave. So it's better just to use this grill pan to grill stuff as opposed to using an actual grill.
No, yes, if you got an outdoor grill, you have to go outside in the heat. So now we're going to grill them on each side until they're done, maybe 6 minutes per side.
And this dish can also be done on an outdoor grill if you want to.
And then you can do it in the oven too.
But and air fry.
Yes, it can air fry also. Now it's time to flip it to the other side. Now we're going to make the sauce. I have a sauce pot here and I have it on medium low. First thing, we're going to add the pineapple juice. Some crushed pineapples. And now we're going to add the soy sauce. And the honey. And butter. By the way, when I gave the list of ingredients, I forgot to mention the butter. Unsalted butter. Brown sugar. And the lime. Squeeze the lime juice into the pot.
Everyone, don't forget, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And also, like, subscribe, share, help us get in that algorithm.
And also I'm going to add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Going to add a little bit at first and see how hot it is.
Well, you know it doesn't bother me with the heat.
No, I know that. I'm going to let this cook up for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now the sauce is ready, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to toss some of the sauce over the wings.
This is definitely a good 4th of July dish.
Yes, you can make this on your 4th of July picnic or backyard barbecue.
Absolutely.
A nice finger food to give your guests while they're waiting on the big burgers and ribs. Now, when I come back, I'll have everything plated up.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yes, it do. Here you have it. Pineapple jerk sticky wings. You really think? You cooked it. Eat them with. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.